YoungLA Batman compression tee. Hey everybody, I am Massimo and welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars, fashion, and lifestyle, the Show Me channel. Today we're going over this bad boy. This is the YoungLA Batman tee and it has to be one of the most hype gym shirts out right now. So is this shirt worth it? Well, before we get into it, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. Now let's get right into the review. So YoungLA decided to hit a gold mine with doing a Batman collaboration with their gym shirts. This thing released back in November 25th with the retail price of $48. Which is about right for gym shirts today. You know, Gymshark runs just about that much. And they kind of didn't go plain with this. They kind of just didn't take the regular shirts and just slapped a Batman logo on it. They wanted to make it really feel like you're wearing like a Batman armored style suit. Something that Batman may actually wear underneath. So it kind of gives up this really funny and cool vibe of like this Batman crossplay and actually usable wearable gym shirt. So the packaging for this is actually pretty cool too. So as you can tell, it has the big old Batman logo right in front of it. The Dark Knight trilogy. So this is based off the Christopher Nolan's Batman. On the other side, it is clear and translucent with the YoungLA logo right there. Bunch of other stuff, but a zip bag. So undoing that zip bag, opening it up, taking out the Batman tee, and here it is. Wow, first impressions of this tee is like, yeah, it definitely feels like a compressed gym shirt tee, very light. So continue on with the materials and feel. This is made with 72% polymade, 21% polyester, and 7% elastane. All that combines to give you a really nice, athletic, and stretchy feel, while maintaining just being thick enough and premium enough to give you enough rigidity and support. This is designed to have a really nice locked in feel, so you're definitely going to feel it around your chest, shoulders, and arms, and waist. You better have a good Batman physique because it's definitely going to show it off if you wear this t-shirt. And also something to note, it's not really made to be too breathable because it needs to support you and everything. It's really meant for weightlifting and not so much cardio. Styling of this t-shirt, well, I think it's just on point. And you really gotta understand what this t-shirt's about. You know, it's not technically designed to be a casual shirt. As in the summertime, you might get really overheated in this. But it's supposed to be a gym shirt that's also a statement piece with the Batman logo. So more on the styling, the base of this t-shirt is pretty much all black. On the front here, we got a big old Batman logo. And they kind of mixed in the whole support and structure stitching with kind of like this armored textured look, to make it feel like you're wearing Batman's suit and armor itself. It's kind of really cool, man. It even's got like the abs and everything going on with the chest and the shoulder plates with the chest, and even on the sleeves, look like you got like shoulder plates going on here. Even with the back, it carries on that same styling. And also on the back, we got a YoungLA logo right there. Speaking of the stitching, it does look like it has really good stitching. I mean, you can just tell with the sleeves right here, that is really thick and tight stitching for your sleeves. This thing is going to hold you in place. The top collar too, I really like it, how it's really nice and stretchy to hold your neck in. The collar is a little bit extended as well. Black with a little gray stripe on top. This thing does have a lot of tags. One of them is a silver Batman logo, which is awesome. Some cool YoungLA tags done in all black. One is a contact tag, and the other is just another big YoungLA tag with a little messaging on the back. This segment is kicking up some fierce competition. On the inside, it doesn't really have any normal shirt tags and stuff, I assume, so it doesn't like rub up against you. But we have yet another Batman logo, the Dark Knight trilogy on there as well, YoungLA, and the sizing right there in medium. This is interesting too. I just noticed it's looking for some bottom tags, but it has some rubber on the bottom here. Right here for the waist. First time I've seen kind of material like this, and apparently it's meant to like hold your waist even more in place. It kind of grips it. That is really, really interesting. I've never seen anything like that. And then the inside of this t-shirt is just pretty much inverted colors, so pretty much gray and black. All right, there it is. I had to look towards the middle of the inside of the shirt to find the wash tag, but here it is. Really cool. This time we got a black Batman logo. You guys are wondering, these things are made in China. Materials and all that's on there. And yeah, I think that's it for the styling. So I think it's now time to put this bad boy on body. So here's what the YoungLA Batman compressed t-shirt looks like on body. And holy crap, this thing is really compressed. Like, I would say that this is tighter than the Gymshark t-shirt. If Batman was wearing this, I wouldn't know how he'd be able to whoop butt in it, man. You would just be so stiff. But, you know, that's also kind of the point of this t-shirt, man. You're supposed to be really locked in, really supported, because you need to when you're doing incredible weightlifting and form. I would say that this probably does that job really well. When you wear this t-shirt, you're kind of a little bit torn. At one point of view, you're like, yo, that's a really cool looking t-shirt and it's Batman. At the other side of you, you're like, man, some people probably would look at you and think you're really, really nerdy that you're wearing Batman at the gym. But all honesty, who cares? Everybody likes Batman, man, let's be honest. It's dope. So here's what the t-shirt looks like from the front. On the side, you can see the shoulders. Yes, you're all tight and locked up. I would say it was really hard getting this t-shirt on at first. Sizing is definitely going to matter a lot, so please stay tuned for the sizing guide for this t-shirt. A couple more poses, and here's what the t-shirt looks like from behind. Really, really cool, man. I really like this shirt, man. If it wasn't so darn athletic and sporty, I would want to wear this out. But I've only worn this t-shirt for probably a good 5 minutes now, and I already can feel the heat starting to come on. Alright, so the pros of this t-shirt, it looks dope. If you're a huge Batman fan, you're definitely going to feel the aura of this t-shirt. This one is not just a lazy collab, man. Like, it's got all the cool details and everything. The second thing is it does what it sets out to do really well. So it's also a really good gym shirt. It's really compressed, really tight, and you're really supportive. The materials are premium. The materials do feel premium and feel like it could take a lot of abuse. I don't know how it's going to stand against dogs. That's a Batman reference. But it should stand a lot of hours in gym time. Fourth good thing is, yeah, it does hold a really good value in resale and probably a lot of collectability. Like, I think if you're a gym freak and need the best gym outfit collection out there, this has to be in there. The cons of this is the fact that it does hold good resale. It's probably going to be expensive for you guys to get. I think resale at the moment was like around $80. If you can get it at retail, it probably could be a good value, but that's going to be tricky. You're probably going to have to pay resale, and you're probably going to have to pay double the amount for a normal gym shirt for this t-shirt. Another con is it's not going to be versatile. I mean, you can't wear this casually every day. It's just probably going to suck. Which is a big con, because if you are a Batman fan like me, you're going to want to wear this every day. So it's kind of a funny oxymoron. The third con, and I'm going to make a video on it, but the sizing is going to be unforgiving. Like, size too big and it's not going to function as a gym shirt. Size too small, you're not going to fit in this t-shirt at all. Like, I went true to size, and putting this thing on, it really felt like it was barely going to fit. So it's going to be tight fitting for this t-shirt. So my final verdict of this t-shirt on a scale of 1 to 10, I have to do it, man. This is a 10 out of 10 t-shirt. Like, if I was rating it as a casual t-shirt, obviously it'd be lower, but I'm rating it as it is. And it is a gym shirt, and it is a really dope gym shirt. Materials great, styling awesome, and 10 out of 10 usually get for that extra point for specialness. And come on, it's Batman. The Dark Knight trilogy in specific. Not the new trilogies, not the newer Batmans, which are kind of questionable. The OG, really amazing Christopher Nolan Batman series. So is it worth it? If you are going for utility and stuff, man, it's not. If you are going for that specialness, it is. So if you can get it at $48 at retail, it's worth it either way. But if you're paying resale, you gotta be honest with yourself if you really like Batman that much. If you're probably watching this video, you are a guy and you probably do like Batman this much, so yeah, it's gonna be worth it. And yeah, I think that's all there needs to be said for the YoungLA Batman compressed tee. What'd you guys think about it? Comment down below your opinion, like and share for that YouTube algorithm, and last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.